Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can request your data through the Amazon app. But before I do this, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to request your data through the Amazon app, first launch the Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you're in the Amazon app, tap on the U button in the bottom of the screen. On the next menu, tap on Your Account. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then under Data and Privacy, tap on Request Your Information. So here you have to select the data that you want. But don't forget, you can access a lot of your data instantly, as well as update your personal information from your account. So go ahead and tap on the drop down box and choose which data you'd like to request. So for example, if you wanted to request data about your orders, tap on Your Orders. And next, tap on Submit Request. Amazon will then contact you once they've fulfilled your request, and then you'll have a copy of your data. And that's all it takes to request your data through the Amazon app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.